Removing a property from Google Search Console stops data collection and reporting for that website in your GSC account. It does not remove the website from Google's search index. You'll no longer see data about its performance, but the site can still appear in search results. Think of it like disconnecting a data feed, not deleting the website itself. Before removing a property from Google Search Console, there are several important prerequisites to consider. First, back up your data. All GSC data will be permanently lost when you remove the property. Make sure to download and export any important reports before proceeding. Second, understand your verification status. If you decide to add the property back later, you will need to re-verify ownership. Ensure you know which verification method you currently use, such as HTML file upload, DNS record, Google Analytics, or Google Tag Manager. Finally, remember that removing a property only affects your view in Google Search Console. It does not impact whether your website appears in Google search results or its indexing status. To remove a property from Google Search Console, start by signing in to Google Search Console at search.google.com/search-console. Next, select the property you want to remove from the Property drop-down menu. Then, click Settings, represented by the gear icon in the left-hand navigation. Choose Remove Property from the Settings menu. Finally, confirm the removal by typing the property URL again if prompted, then select Remove. The property will then be removed from your GSC dashboard. Removing a property from Google Search Console stops monitoring your site, but it does not remove the website from Google search results. If you want to actually remove your site from search, you need to use different tools. For temporary removal, use the Google Removal tool. This can hide your content for up to 6 months, useful for content you want to temporarily demote. For permanent removal, request full de-indexing through the Removals section in Google Search Console. This requires you to provide justification, and approval is not guaranteed. If your content is sensitive, such as containing private information or legal issues, the Removals section is the appropriate route for requesting complete removal from search results. If you need to add the property back to Google Search Console later, you'll need to go through the verification process again. This step is essential to confirm that you still own the website and maintain security. The process follows the same steps as adding a new property initially. You'll choose from several verification methods and follow the provided instructions to complete the process. The available verification methods include uploading an HTML file, adding a DNS record, using Google Analytics, or Google Tag Manager. Each method provides a secure way to prove ownership. Keep in mind that when you re-add the property, any historical data from before the removal will not be restored. The property will start fresh with new reporting. Google Search Console receives frequent updates, so staying informed is essential. The official Google Search Central blog is your primary source for announcements about new features and changes. Regularly check the blog for updates on user interface improvements, verification process modifications, and new property management tools. By following these resources, you'll ensure you're using Google Search Console effectively and can avoid surprises when managing or removing properties.